Hello guys, this is just a showcase of what's possible in 1.3, and I'm making 15 batteries, 6 syringes, all components, 6 hetonite parts, and 74 zircon, 12 heavy gironite, and I am using 277 gironite per minute. Extra gironite is for the components, for the gironite components mainly, and I am using 5750 power, and the power saver looks like this. You just split it into three times, and this works perfectly with the power consumption. We can actually check that I am using this is perfect, okay? I am not wasting a single power. And yes, I do have zip lines actually. 2 here, 17 here. All the depot stuff, I have zip lines placed. I don't have any towers, but you know, if I need powers, I just will power them manually. And let's go to Wuling. I'll show you how I have it set up, the component production and the extra batteries. So first things, I am sending all the sewage to the purification node. You have to do a lot of setup, but I am 100% efficient on this, and all the zircon that comes back is then processed into zircon, and I have an extra zircon production here, because we are making extra gironite that we are not using, and I'm using 2 splitters exactly, and some ferrium, and 1 expanded crucible is enough to make everything. You just need a little bit of sewage and a little bit of water, and yeah, we are making extra zircon. And by the way, you cannot make more than 74 zircon per minute. 73.8 per minute is the current maximum, and you have to have this. You need to import dense originium powder, and the setup looks like this. We have 1 output of zircon. Don't worry about this. This is fine. It's because I have saved zircon, and this is where we're making the parts. 1 forge of the sky here, and we're making both components here, and all the extra gironite goes to the base. And there is a splitter with the original dense powder, and if I craft something, for example, I craft this will automatically start producing components. There is a bit of a problem, because this eventually I will run out of this. I will run out of originium dense powder because I am making so many batteries. The way to solve that is just by placing another splitter here. If I put another splitter here, this is all fine, and this is also fine. And here we are making the heavy gironite, which makes the hetonite components with a simple splitter. Everything is getting stored, and to do this, to make the coprium components, you just have to store all of the coprium into the base, and then you just output it here. You have to do this because then you might have some sewage problems something may clog or something. It depends on how your base is set up, and of course there is the 1.3 Yagent syringe production, which is fairly easy, and that's basically it. There's nothing else to talk about. Let's check the production again. Yeah. Okay, we have some 15 batteries per minute, and I'm only using like 2.5 batteries per minute. So this is 100% efficient. Everything is basically perfect. We are making everything. Nothing will ever clog. The only way this base can clog is if you are artificing with granite components. Then something may clog eventually. But as I said, the solution is just to place a splitter here and everything is fine. Or you can just remove this thing here. You can save extra power for turrets or ziplines, and you're making like 1 less battery per minute. But you know, it's nice. I like it. And I have so much components, so I don't care. I like my batteries. What else? Yeah, we can go to Marker Stone. This is just a farm for carbon, and this is my hetonite part setup. I think it's beautiful. Nothing ever clogs. All the sewage goes to the purification unit. See, I'm not lying. Everything goes here. Yeah. This was really fun. I enjoyed it. Oh yeah. I had a lot of facility limit problems. Like I had to stash a lot of stuff to be able to place everything. But, you know, everything worked out for me. So, bye bye.